Good afternoon, everybody. Now I will let you know the commodity weekly outlook for the agri commodities, what has happened in the last week, and also what is the outlook in the coming week. In the last week, we have seen that the oilseed complex entirely had traded on a positive note with only mild losses in the RM seed. Overall, soybean prices ended on a positive note as the supplies of the oilseed has been lower in the domestic markets, which has pushed the prices upwards. Refined soya oil also ended on a positive note as the demand ahead of Ramzan kept the prices upwards. Mustard seed prices traded lower as the arrivals increased in the domestic markets, which pushed the prices lower. Amongst the spices, overall chili posted maximum losses of around 8.9%, followed by jeera 1.1%, while turmeric and mentha oil prices ended in the green. Cardamom posted maximum gains amongst the agri space of around 9.3%. Overall, the short coverings by the market participants pushed the prices of the cardamom on a higher note. Amongst the pulses, chana also bounced back from the lows as the demand from the local stockists at lower level exerted an upward pressure on the chana prices. Sugar also ended on a negative note as demand in the domestic markets reduced, which exerted a downside pressure, while reports of expectations of imposition of import duty with expectations of lower output in the coming season cushioned prices at the lower levels. We have seen that the Kharif sowing in the domestic has increased from 67 lakh hectares till June 7 to 75 lakh hectares till June 14. The monsoon has advanced in the interior parts of India and has covered most of the states ahead of time. It is expected to cover whole of India in the coming weeks. For the coming week, we expect chana prices to trade higher on account of improved buying by the local stockists at lower levels. Amongst the oilseeds, we expect soybean prices to trade lower as the sowing has increased to 1.57 lakh hectares as of June 17th as compared to 0.7 lakh hectares as on June 7th. Mustard seed and refined soya oil prices, on the other hand, are expected to bounce back from the lows as demand ahead of Ramzan is expected to put upward pressure on the prices. Among the spices, all the spices are expected to bounce back from the lows as demand ahead of Ramzan amidst prices at the lower levels would initiate buying by the local stockists. Now for the strategies. Soybean July is expected to trade in the range of 3640 to 3980. One should buy above 3890, keeping a stop loss of 3741 for a target of 4150. RM seed prices are also expected to trade higher, with prices trading in the range of 3450 to 3750. One can buy at around 3520 for a target of 3600, keeping a stop loss of 3477. Chana prices are also expected to trade in the range of 3100 to 3450. One can buy it around 3230, keeping a stop loss of 3175 for a target of 3350. Jeera prices are expected to trade in the range of 12900 to 13500. One can buy it around 13070, keeping a stop loss of 12950 for a target of 13330. Sugar prices are expected to trade in the range of 3030 to 3230. Mentha oil prices are also expected to trade firm as the monsoon has arrived ahead of time in UP and the heavy rains in the district is disrupting the harvesting of the mentha leaves. This has caused the supplies in the domestic market to reduce, which is exerting an upward pressure on the mentha prices. Therefore, it is expected to trade higher in this week. Thus, one can buy it above 1050 for a target of 1220, keeping a stop loss of 945. Thank you.